Happy New Year's, everybody. I hope you and your investments are doing well. If you're like me, and I know you are, you're probably very happy to put 2022 behind you. For me personally, my portfolio was down 12.87%. Not so cool, but when I compare that to the S&P 500, as you can see here, they were down nearly 20%. So I really don't have that much to complain about. Although, since I only currently hold Canadian stocks, I should probably be looking at the TSX. They're down 8.7%. So I ended up doing worse than the TSX, but better than the S&P 500. But I'm still not complaining because throughout all 2022, I was able to dollar cost average down my prices, and I'm hoping that's gonna pay off big in 2023. And speaking of paying off big, I wanna take the time in this video to go over the stocks that paid me dividends in the month of December. So let's go over those. Hey everybody, my name is Steve Coleman, and I am a dividend stock investor putting $150 every week into my tax-free savings account on the Wealthsimple Trade platform. I am trying to grow a source of investment income that I can tap into at any time in the future without having to sell off any of my assets. In the month of December, I received 7 different dividend payments, some monthly, some quarterly, all equally awesome. Let's go over what those are right now. So we are starting with a REIT, RioCan, REI.UN, and I was paid on December 7th, $5.78. Next, we have my big ETF, the VDY. That's Vanguard's Canadian High Dividend Yield ETF. And that was $22.05. This is again, probably the biggest position that I have. I think it's roughly 22 to 25% of my portfolio. So no doubt that this one's a big one. And that's monthly as well. And again, next monthly dividend was Pizza for $6.86. That's always on the 15th of the month. Nice and reliable. Then the next few are quarterly. The first one being Manulife for $19.14. Then towards the end of the year, we have Chorus Entertainment. This is one I have been putting a lot of money into because I've been able to dollar cost average from the beginning of the year from $6 down to $3. So I've been putting a lot of money into this one. So the quarterly dividend is big, being $34.50. So that's awesome. And then we have a Diversified Royalty Corp. This is a monthly paying dividend company, and $9.40 there. Ending the year with Brookfield Renewables, BEP.UN, on December 30th with $15.13. The total for the month was $112.86, and that is twice what it was in November, and that was completely to be expected. In fact, I expect January to be 3 times what November's price was, and that just depends on where those stocks fall and when they're paying out on a quarterly basis, and that's what makes up the difference, which is why I've started looking at the dividends that I've been receiving on a quarterly basis as well. And so I can see that in Q4, I received $293.27, which is up 23% over Q3. This will be a graph that I will be looking again in April once I've received all my Q1 dividends for 2023. So I invite you to stick around, like this video, subscribe, and check back in again in April and in between, please. Come back, and we'll see how things are working, how things are progressing. Is there growth? Is it as high as, from one quarter to the other? We'll find out. So like, subscribe, that'd be awesome. And to help me out with the next video that I'm planning, I'd like to know what your personal finance goals are for 2023. What are the money discussions that are happening around your dining room table? And how optimistic are you feeling about this current year now, 2023? Let me know in the comments, and then we'll talk about that in the next video. So that's it for me, guys. Keep it in the green. We'll see you in the next one, and take care. Bye.